We have a problem. Don't you hate it when your laptop goes off low battery right when you need it the most? Whenever I'm running for a meeting or just preparing a PPT, my laptop battery just dies. It's even worse when you are in the middle of an important call and your phone dies. You know what I'm talking about, right? We have all lived through the nightmare of a dead battery. But not anymore. We need to fix this problem right now. Let's put a stop on the devices going off at the wrong time. Thankfully, we have found a solution. I have found this amazing 24,000 mAh laptop power bank, Ultraprolink's JuiceUp 120, so that you never run out of juice again. You don't want to seem unprofessional or worse, unprepared, right? You can rely on this versatile multi-utility power bank for your laptop charging, and it even has a wireless charging pad for your phone. This multi-device power bank can charge not one, not two, but up to 3 different devices at a single time. On a single charge, this power bank can charge your MacBook 3 times. Can you beat that? I don't think so. And it can simultaneously charge your mobile phone multiple times on a full charge. Ultraprolink's JuiceUp 120 is all you need to achieve your goals. I can't wait to see it. Let's open it up and see what's inside the box. Here's a sleek looking main unit with an elegant design. It's also pretty light, and it's hard to imagine this sleek form factors offer so much. This main charging unit has this wireless charging pad on the top for your phone and multiple ports which support a wide range of devices. This is the LED display. There is a multi-function power button with the LED, and it looks so good. It's visible at night and it doubles up to show you how much battery is left. This is a DC round pin charging port. Great, that means I can even charge my older generation laptops on the same power bank. This is a real game changer for me. These days you don't get any power banks that support the older generation's laptops that easily. There are 9 different connectors in the box which match the most popular brands easily. Along with it, in this box, we also have this DC support cable. So it means I can charge all my gadgets, old and new, with the JuiceUp. USB-C input-output. So here's the USB-C input-output which is used to charge this power bank. It typically takes about just 2 hours to completely charge with a recommended 60-watt charger. This is the main port which should be used to charge laptops which require up to 60 watt. Otherwise, you can use this as another USB-C output to charge an Android phone or tablet. USB-A output. This again will help you charge older generation phones and other devices via a traditional USB-A connector. This makes it so multi-purpose, that means I can literally charge any device in my home or office with just this single power bank. USB-C output. This is your standard current USB-C output which can be used on most of your current smartphones and tablets. A powerful type C to C cable for all C-type charging devices. And there's another one in the box which is USB-A to C type cable for all your devices. JuiceUp 120 is compatible with your MacBook Air M1 and M2, iPad and iPad mini, Ultra Slimbooks, Samsung Galaxy Book 2, OnePlus 9 Pro, Xiaomi Mi 9 and other flagship devices. But you know the best part for me is that it's also compatible with my older generation devices. JuiceUp also has a 10-watt wireless charging area, so your iPhones and all can be charged simultaneously. It will support all other phones which are wireless charging compatible like Samsung S22, etc. The Ultraprolink JuiceUp packs in a total of 120 watts of power. Its sleek and ergonomic design is just half a kg. So light, it makes really convenient to carry anywhere. It is great for traveling in the city or outside. It gets fully charged in just 2 hours and the battery will last for weeks or even months depending upon your usage. I know what you are thinking. I need one right now. JuiceUp is available offline in nearly 6,000 gadget stores across India, including some Apple stores, also on Amazon and the brand's own website. It comes with 1-year warranty. You just need to scan this QR code on the packaging to activate the warranty. JuiceUp is a great support device for everyone who needs to stay connected and powered up at all times. Oh, it's already charged. Now, before you run out of your battery again, click on the link below to get your own JuiceUp 120 so that you never run out of juice again. We'll keep coming back to you with some more interesting videos. See you soon.